Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to install a plugin into WordPress. Open the dashboard of your WordPress and from the menu bar, please select plugins and add a new plugin. Now you can see there are many plugins which are built-in plugins. So I am selecting Jetpack. Jetpack is a very basic plugin, so you can install Jetpack. Now it is installing. And after its installation is completed, now select activate the product. So the plugin has been activated. Now you can see in the menu bar that the plugin has been activated, and you can see it in the menu bar.